If your office is growing, the wrong printer could quietly drain your time, budget, and sanity without you even noticing. That's what we're breaking down today. Everything you need to know before buying or upgrading your office printer with zero fluff. Hey y'all, I'm Marissa with AIS. Here's the truth. Multifunction printers, or MFPs, aren't just glorified copiers anymore. They're now smart, connected, secure machines that can either streamline your entire workflow or bring it to a standstill if you choose the wrong one. So, how do you pick the right MFP for a growing office? As your team expands and workflows become more complex, your printer setup can become the bottleneck. What used to work for 5 people suddenly isn't cutting it for 15. Documents pile up, print jobs slow down, downtime creeps in, people get frustrated, and IT gets slammed with support tickets. And guess what? Most businesses don't even realize their print environment is the problem. Let's start with the basics. An MFP combines your printing, scanning, copying, and sometimes faxing into a single machine. Modern versions also sync with cloud platforms like Google Drive and Microsoft 365 email workflows and document management systems. These machines are no longer isolated. They're digital teammates. But not every MFP fits every office. That's where the breakdown usually happens. Before you even Google a model name, ask yourself these questions. How many people are going to use this thing every day? How much printing are we doing each month? Is most of it black and white, or are we burning through color toner? Do we need finishing features like stapling or booklet folding? And are people printing remotely or from mobile devices? Answering these honestly saves you thousands in the long run by avoiding features you don't need, or worse, missing features you actually do. If you're a small team or remote office, a desktop MFP might be enough. They're compact, lower volume, and easy to tuck into a corner. But if you're dealing with a growing office, say 10 or more active users, look into a workgroup or enterprise-level MFP. These are built to handle higher volumes with faster print speeds, larger paper capacities, and robust scanning features. They're designed to handle the workload without breaking down after 6 months. If your printer doesn't play well with your tools, you're just creating more work. Look for wireless printing with things like AirPrint and MoPria. You'll also want tight integrations with cloud storage, secure scan-to-email options, and user authentication, either through pins or badge swipes. That makes printing not only easier, but safer. Ignore brand hype. Focus on these 3 details. First is print speed. Look for at least 30 pages per minute for small teams or 50 plus for growing ones. Resolution, 600 to 1200 dpi will deliver clean, professional prints. And finally, duty cycle. Always pick a model that supports at least 25% more than your busiest month. If you print 40,000 pages monthly, you want a machine rated for 50,000 or more. That keeps maintenance low and uptime high. Most people forget this, but printers are now part of your network. That means they can be hacked just like a laptop or server. You need authentication, encrypted data handling, secure erase for internal drives, and activity logs. If your team is dealing with sensitive info that you would find in healthcare, finance, or legal, you absolutely need these protections. No excuses. Your office might double in size next year. Will your printer keep up? Look for expandable trays, modular add-ons, and firmware that can be updated with new features down the road. Bonus points if you can manage it remotely across multiple offices. And yeah, service matters. Choose something that won't leave you stranded when the toner runs dry or the fuser goes out. Some vendors like AIS offer proactive support and auto replenishment services, which are game changers for uptime. The price tag is just the start. Real cost includes toner, paper, power, maintenance, and downtime. Here's the kicker. A cheap printer with expensive toner can bleed you dry. In many cases, an MFP with a higher upfront cost and lower running expenses saves you way more over 3 to 5 years. If you're working with a managed print services provider, they'll bundle supplies, service, and support into a monthly cost that's predictable and often much cheaper than the DIY route. If your office is expanding, now's the time to reevaluate your printing setup. Don't wait until the pain hits. Whether it's speed, security, scalability, or cost, choosing the right MFP makes a measurable difference across your entire team. And if you're unsure where to start, we have a link below to get a professional print assessment. It's the fastest way to uncover what's working, what's not, and what's going to save you the most over time. Your printer should support your growth, not slow it down. Got any questions? Give us a call or visit our website ais-now.com. And remember, you can worry less with AIS.